Hello friends, my name is Shubham Katole and today we are going to see aptitude problems and odd man out series part 1. So let's begin with the first problem. When we are trying to solve an odd man out problem, we have to find an odd number. It means the different number from overall series. So in that series, the numbers are 3, 5, 11, 14, 17 and 21. When we observe the given series, 3, 5, 11, 17 and 21 are the odd number, but the 14th is an even number. While solving an odd man out series, we have to first check the numbers are odd, even, whole, prime, perfect square, not perfect square, divisibility by test like divisibility by 2, 9, 3, 7 and so on. If the number is not fit between that situation, so then we have to calculate that operation. Next problem: 10, 25, 45, 54, 60, 70 and 85. In that situation, if we make the calculation like each number is divisible by 4, it means each number is multiple of 5. It means when we make multiple of like 5, 10 is multiple of 2 multiplied by 5, we get a number 10. When we make a multiplication 5 multiplied by 5, we get a number 25. If we multiply 9 multiplied by 5, we get a value 45. But 54 is not a divisible by 5 or not any multiple of 5. 60 is also multiple of 5, 75, 80 is also multiple of 5. So odd number is 54. Next problem: 396, 462, 572, 427, 671, 264. In this case, there are the 3-digit numbers and to make the calculation is difficult. But there are some tricks to solve 3-digit number. Simply observe each digit in every number. So first number like 396, in which 396, when we make the addition of first and last digit, we get a value of middle number. In a second number also 6 plus 2, we get a value 6. In third number, when we make the addition of first and last, that is 5 plus 2, we get a value 7. But in a fourth digit, when we make the addition of first and last digit like 4 plus 7, we don't get a value 2. It means it's an odd number. Next number like 671, when we make the addition of first and last digit of 671, that is 6 plus 1, we get a value 7. When we make the addition of 2 plus 4, we get a value 6. So the odd number is 4 to 7. Next problem: 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 28 and 30. There is a simply and easy calculation that each number is a multiple of 3, like 6, 9, 15, 21, 28, 30 is a multiple of 3, but 28 is not a multiple of 3. Next problem: 1, 4, 9, 16, 23, 25 and 36. When we observe that 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36 are the perfect square. 4 is a perfect square of 2, 9 is a perfect square of 3, 16 is a perfect square of 4, 25 is a perfect square of 5, 36 is a perfect square of 6, but 23 is not a perfect square, so odd number is 23. Next problem: 1, 4, 9, 16, 20, 36 and 49. In that situation also, each number is also a perfect square, that is 1 is a perfect square of 1, 4 is a perfect square of 2, 9 is a perfect square of 3, 16 is a perfect square of 4, but 20 is not a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square of 6 and 49 is a perfect square of 7. So 20 is turn out. Next problem: 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50 and 64. In which when we observe that the number is plus 1, that is when we make this square of 1 square plus 1, we get a value 2. When we make the calculation that 2 square plus 1, it means 4 plus 1 we get a value 5. 3 square plus 1 we get a value 10. 4 square plus 1 we get a value 70. 5 square plus 1 we get a value 26. 6 square plus 1 we get a value 37. 7 square plus 1 we get a value 50. But when we make this 8 square, like 8 square equals to 64 plus 1, we get a value 65. But the value is 64, so that's why the odd number is, that odd man out is 64. Next problem, 331 482 511 263 383 362 284. In that situation, the first and the third digit is a middle one. It means when we make the multiplication of first and the last digit, we get a value of middle one. In a first number like 331, when we multiply by 3 into 1, we get a value as a 3 in a middle term. In a second number also, when we make the multiplication of 4 into 2, we get a 8. When we make a multiplication of 5 into 1, we get a 5. When we make a multiplication of 3 into 2, we get a value 6. 3 into 3, 9, but the middle number is 8, so that's why the odd man out number is 383. Next problem, 3, 5, 7, 12, 17 and 19. When we observe that 3, 5, 17, 7, 19 are odd number, but the 12 is an even number, so that's why 12 is an odd man out. Next problem, 835 734 642 751 83 853 981 532. Each number except that 75, the difference of the third and the first digit is a middle one. It means when we observe the first number, that 835, when we make the subtraction between the first and the last digit of first number, we get a value 3, that is 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Next number, 7 minus 4 equals to 3. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 7 minus 1 equals to 6, but here is 7 minus 1 equals to 6, but the middle number is 5, that's why the odd man out number is 751. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to watch another part of this video, do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching.